Hi everyone, this is Louise from Flycast. In this video, we show you how to place alt tags in WordPress as they can really help your SEO. Images need to be labeled, it's good search engine practice, and it's pretty easy to do. We're already logged into the back end of WordPress. We're going to pop over to the media section. And then you get to all the images that have been used in this particular website. Let's choose a picture of a forklift truck. And in this case, you can see that we are editing the alternative text. As you can see, this one is already labeled and it says Forklift Certification. Let's change that to Forklift Truck Training, as that's what this page is about. Once you press Enter, it saves automatically. You can scroll to the next picture if you want to, and so on. Let's check another picture. You can see this one already has forklift truck safety, which we like. And that's how easy it is to edit image tags in WordPress. It's vital for SEO, and it's not hard to do.